Over the past 2 decades, the architecture of Detroit has seen an incredible transformation. Buildings that tell stories of industry, innovation, and resilience.
Brickworks Property Restoration is proud to be a part of that story. One brick, one stone, one foundation at a time. Our journey started with a simple belief: to protect and restore the buildings that define our city.
From restoring aging facades to preserving historic landmarks, Brickworks has built a culture rooted in craftsmanship, community, and care. We don't just repair bricks and mortar. We restore trust and longevity. Our goal has always been to breathe new life into Detroit's buildings.
Detroit's winters are tough, and Midwest weather does not take it easy on masonry. That's why we specialize in solutions designed for our region. From freeze-thaw protection to waterproofing, whatever the challenge, we bring expertise and dedication.
Brickworks isn't just a service provider. We're a partner in preserving the heart of Detroit.
Whether it's historic restoration, facade repair, or structural reinforcement, we deliver solutions that last.
Because for us, it's about more than just masonry. It's about building and preserving a legacy. Brickworks Property Restoration, restoring today, building tomorrow.